Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Divit, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how I've made money online using different practices, and these practices basically don't require a website. My goal over here is to show you some of the money I've earned. It's not a lot, but I just want to show you that if you work at it, you can build it and scale it up in your own particular niche. All right, so let's get right into it. Now, the first way that I've had some success making money online is through online courses. So I use a platform called Udemy. Most of you probably know about this. Basically, you can make courses about anything, right? You can make courses about, for example, yoga if you're interested in that. You can make courses about digital marketing. Whatever you want, you can go ahead and choose right here, and you can go ahead and actually create content on it. We can see right here, we have courses on all kinds of different things. And again, Udemy helps you promote this course for you. There's no website required at all. You can just sign up and create your course with no cost added to you. We can see right here that for my case, I actually went ahead and made about $10,000 through my courses. And again, I had no website at this time. I made courses on digital marketing, on WordPress, on Shopify, and then just sold it to people. Creating a course is a pretty straightforward process. You can just go to the courses option once you create an account, create new course over here, and then just go through the steps over here, right? It's very, very straightforward. You can just choose a topic and then go ahead and actually upload your videos that you have. Don't be too concerned about, I don't know what to teach. Just figure out a niche, pick what you're good at, and just go ahead and record it. It's really that simple. Okay, so that's the first way you can go ahead and make some money. And that's how I went ahead and made about $10,000. Now, the next way you can go ahead and make money online without a website is to use a blogging platform and actually write. If you're interested in writing or if it's something you're passionate about, you can go ahead and do that. The platform I recommend is medium.com. They basically pay you for writing. So anytime people read your articles, then you get paid for that. And all of these people over here are basically doing exactly that. And that's what I've done too. Okay, so if I go, for example, to my Medium partner program, we can see that, it's not a lot, but every month I make about $100 or so, sometimes 50, $30. And it basically is, passive income that just comes in through my writings that I've made about 3 years ago, right? So it's easy way to just, take some content, write about it, and then have Medium pay you based on readers that actually read your articles. Now, it's important to keep in mind, guys, that you have to have quality, right? It's not just about creating anything and then just throwing it on Medium and hoping to make money, right? I went ahead and actually spent some time on it. I like talking about philosophy, about mental health, about personal finance. So topics that I'm interested in, that I write about, which then people can actually read, find value in, and then they can actually pay me for my writing. And it's the same concept over here applied to your online courses. You don't want to make any garbage course just for the sake of making a course. You want to really show people that, hey, if you watch my course, I'll teach you something significant. I've put some time into it, some work into it. And that hard work really comes across. Okay, so that's something I do want to point out in this video is no matter what I talk about over here, if you don't actually put some hard work into it, if you don't figure out what your niche is, what you want to write about, what you're passionate about, you're not really going to succeed in making money online. Now, with that in mind, the third way you can go ahead and make money online is through affiliate marketing. Now, again, I know a lot of you know about affiliate marketing. You probably get affiliate marketed all the time. You have courses that are being advertised to you, products that are being advertised to you. That's just what affiliate marketing is. It's taking a link and then promoting it for a company. And then when somebody buys that particular product you're promoting, you get a commission for it. Now, the reason I say you can do this without a website is if you have, for example, a blog on Medium or courses on Udemy, you can go ahead and sign up to these affiliate programs and then put those affiliate links in your blogs, put them in your particular courses, and then have these different platforms work together. So we can see right here that for my YouTube channel that you're currently watching, I have a affiliate links that I'll go ahead and promote. And right now in 2025, I've made about $419, right? So I'm hoping to scale this higher and higher. And I've done the same thing in the past over here with different affiliate programs where I've made about $1,400 promoting hosting providers. And there's all kinds of different ways you can do. The way that I do it is I go ahead and make courses, I write blogs, and I make reviews about certain products. And then I go ahead and sign up to these affiliate programs, take their affiliate links, and then put them in my Medium articles, put them in my courses over here, and then just have all of these different platforms cross-functionally working together. Okay, so that's another way you can go ahead and do it. And don't be too intimidated or concerned that, oh, why would brands want to work with me? If you show intent, if you show that, hey, I have these courses, I have this YouTube channel, I have this blog, then they can go ahead and actually, give you access to promoting their products. Okay, so that's what I would recommend that you go ahead and do. Now, as a bonus tip, the final thing that I recommend over here, and this is not something that I've currently done, but I'm thinking of doing myself, it is freelancing, right? You can go ahead and sign up to platforms like Upwork.com. And if there's any skill that you have, if you're a finance person, a marketer, a copywriter, you can go ahead and create a profile for free on Upwork and other platforms like it and advertise your service or bid for particular jobs. We can see people are making crazy amount of money, right? So this guy right here has earned $2 million. This person has earned $1 million. and so on and so forth. Now, of course, guys, keep in mind that these are the top people on this particular platform. I'm not saying that you're going to make $1 million right away, but the point is it's very easy. You don't need a website. You can just sign up, as I have too. I've already, created my profile, and I haven't really advertised or bid for any jobs just yet. But at least the first step has been completed where I've created my profile, and I'm going to eventually go ahead and actually bid for some of these jobs. So that's another way you can go ahead and actually make money, is through freelancing. There's a bunch of different videos on YouTube online of how you can be successful on this platform, how you can actually bid successfully for these projects and actually make some money. So with that being said, guys, that's pretty much it. Those are 4 different ways you can go ahead and make money online. Again, I wanted to show you some of the money that I've made. It's not a lot. I know it's not life-changing money, but the point is, at least it is some form of success, right? This is a real world example of people actually like yourself, ordinary, normal people that are going out there and making some money. One thing I do want to point out is, which I forgot to talk about, is on the Medium platform. So if you want to go ahead and actually make money on the blog, the requirements are very, very straightforward. You basically have to be signed up to Medium. You have to publish a story within the last 6 months, be at least 18 years old, and have a bank account. So it's really that simple. There's no website requirement. There's no portfolio requirement. All of these platforms you can do for free with no website and with any kind of experience that you have. So that being said, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then go ahead and press the like button and share it with your friends. I hope I inspired you to make money online, to have your own business, to have your own portfolio. And if you did enjoy it, then go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And on that note, I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.